Yo, what's up guys? Blue Hoodie, also known as Anthony here. And a lot of you guys in the comments have been clowning about my acne. So, I'm not gonna take it anymore. I'm gonna do something about it. I'm gonna get even. So I bought some Differin Gel. We're gonna be unboxing that today. Differin Gel face mask. Also, I started drinking water. About 2 gallons every hour. Now, I know what you guys are gonna say. Anthony, the human body can only process 1 liter of water every hour. First of all, that's commie propaganda. Second of all, I don't like this mode. I don't like that mode either. I was gonna have a goddamn seizure. This is horrible. Who invented this shit? Okay, here we go. How do we increase the speed? Okay, that's the fastest it goes, I think. Big shout out to my friend Cocaine Jesus. That is a play on religion is the opiate of the people. But yeah, let's open this shit. Differin Detox Soothe. They make these boxes very difficult to open. I like to open my boxes in the shape of Star of David. There we have the first triangle. God, my finger is killing me. So here we go. A neat little Star of David. So we got kind of a huge container for this dinky little thing. Oh dude, it's a scam. Look, there's literally not even any, I thought there was like cream or something in here, but it's just a layer of plastic. Just a layer of plastic. That's so dumb. How do they sell this now? Oh, whatever. Okay, it's Differin Gel. I think I opened it wrong last time. I mean, I know I opened it wrong. I was trying to be funny. I'm not now. Okay, so now we have this Differin Gel. Please tell me this isn't a scam. Alright, looks good. Looks good. Squeeze. Okay, that's a lot. Well, you know, I squeezed a lot out, and that's what rubs some onto my face. I don't know, guys. First impression is, I'm not cut out to be a beauty YouTuber. Thought I could be the next, I don't know, who's like a beauty YouTuber? James Charles. Probably cynical, but I'm not. I'm not, guys. I'm trying not to knock my glasses onto my face. Man, this is a great song. Cocaine Jesus, if you're watching this, man, shout out to you. Also, BG Cumby says this, but shout out to the firemen. Also, the rainbow lights aren't some kind of LGBT dog whistle. It's actually a gamer dog whistle. And you know I'm not gay because I have a Sam Hyde poster. My man. Shout out Sam Hyde. And then over here, this guy, that is Saint Francis Xavier. I'm not gonna say what the patron saint. I'm not gonna say what he's the patron saint of because you guys are gonna bully me about it. I'm not gonna cover him though because I'm not a closeted Catholic, and that's not saying I'm gay. That's saying I'm not hiding the fact that I'm Catholic, which I am. I am Catholic. I have a cross on my neck, a crucifix. Alright, this video is running long and it's kind of dumb. See ya.